We're on the south side where the star is, and I just thought I would do a little video about the design up here. So here we have a piece, I don't know if you can tell where it comes off the roof. This is the edge of the roof here. You can see how high up we are. Lift is down there. So we have this beautiful design here. It's over a foot, and we painted this yesterday. I mean, they look pretty big up here, but when you get down to the ground, you don't really see too much of them. So we decided to paint these buttons red. So I did one, and now I'm going to do the other two. And yesterday I had done all of this slate color, and you can see it's on the 45. So you can see it's not, you can't get a perfect job. You kind of have to take the brush and, feather it out like this, and you get a little bit, but believe me, from the ground, you can just barely even see it's here, but it does give some dimension. So here we have to, just to look ahead here, we have to finish giving this a second coat, and we have to remove the window and work on that. So this is just a close-up of the design. I'm still like 12 feet from the top here. I could go up, but I wanted to show you this. This is some stuff I had done last year. So you can see how we don't go right to the corner because you can't really do it nicely. So you leave a little space and you cut down through with the brush. And, a few feet away, you can't tell. It's beautiful. So back to the buttons.